Ho, 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 Merry Christmas!
All right, not the best Santa impression, but I thought if Santa visits you on Christmas Eve and gives you some camping gifts as a scout leader, what would be the presents you would not want to receive? Those really bad camping gadgets that you've seen all around the internet and you have been given one. You've been passed over a lovely box wrapped up beautifully with a lovely bow, and as you unwrap it, you reveal hiking heels or a hand whisker. How are you going to put that lovely, beautiful. So I thought, you know what, let's go through the internet and find out 10 really bad camping gifts that you pray to God that you're not going to get or open on Christmas Day. Let's find out. So imagine you open an electronic marshmallow toaster. You've got to put that lovely smile on your face, look pretty and say, thank you, darling. This is lovely, amazing. I just don't get it. You're going to get it on camp and the batteries are going to run out. Just use a stick. Now, this one really confused me. I was racking my brains when I saw a camping hand blender. Why would you want to take that to camp? It's bulky, it's big. And what are you going to make at camp? Maybe you're going to make a smoothie or knock up some pancake mixture. I don't know. Just bring a whisk. Now, this one was even more confusing when I found this one. A Coleman's Camping deep fat fryer. Why would you want to take that on? And then you've got to lug that along. You've got to lug a big bottle of oil. What are you going to cook? Okay, you could cook some camping donuts, chips, I don't know, but you can do those on pots and stuff already on the altar fire, on the campfire. But would you really want to trug along a deep fat fryer in your bag and the oil? Don't know. But before we get on the next one, comment below what you think would be a ultimate really bad Christmas present for a scout leader. Comment below. Right, here we go. So you can never have too many torches. I love getting a torch for either my birthday or Christmas. Brilliant. They all go missing and disappearing and stuff. But talking about disappearing, if you had a camouflage torch like this one, you are absolutely screwed if you drop it on the forest floor, isn't it? Look at that lovely camo. Gone. See you later. So pointless, this one. Now, a collapsible flower vase. Why? I'm thinking outside the box, all right? You're trying to jazz up your camping site, your mess tent, your patrol tent, maybe, I don't know. No. Can't think of any reason why you want to take a collapsible flower vase on a camping trip. Everyone loves a sleeping bag, and I've just recently upgraded my sleeping bag after a few years, and it's lovely. So if you've got a sleeping bag for Christmas, lovely. Thank you very much. But imagine getting this one, a zippered sleeping bag. It has not one zipper, but 5 zippers. So imagine it's 2-3 o'clock in the morning. We've been there, we're in our sleeping bag, tossing and turning. We need to go for that kind of midnight morning wee, but we're all comfy in our sleeping bag. It's cozy, it's cold outside. We've got to get our clothes on, put the trousers on, and you think, 5 more minutes, it'll be morning. 5 more minutes, it'll be morning. And then you give up. We've all been there, haven't we? Where we've got to just brave it, get out. And the zipper gets jammed. But imagine this chap. He's got to do 5 zips. So would you really want the zippered sleeping bag with 5 zips as a scout leader? No. So boys, we know that giving the other half, whether it's a girlfriend, wife, mom, grandmother, mother-in-law, if you give her some shoes or some slippers, they love it. Absolutely love it. Guaranteed, give some shoes. Give a scout leader some hiking heels. Ooh. Maybe not. I don't know. Comment below if you're a female scout leader and you think, actually, hiking heels, I wouldn't mind unwrapping those for Christmas Day as my present. When I saw this, I thought I'd have to get some of these. It's a flamingo tent peg. Now, I can see the reason behind them. You know, think about it logically. The tent pegs at nighttime, you trip over them, guy lines. Yeah, you can get glow-in-the-dark ones and reflective ones. No, it's a no. I really can't see myself putting flamingo tent pegs around my tent on scout camp. Can you? Maybe you like them, maybe you don't. All right, so this one slipped in because, all right, this is a controversial one. Yes, if my family gave me jeans for Christmas Day, love it. Love a good pair of jeans. In fact, I do need a pair of jeans. I've got that little hole in my knee that's getting bigger and bigger, so I'm getting for Christmas Day. And I open a pair of jeans, I'm, lovely. But in this one, it's for a scout leader, all right? And we know that jeans are a big no-no when we go camping, aren't they? Banned in my scout group. Banned everywhere I go. The reason you shouldn't wear jeans on camp was once they get wet, you get cold, they take ages to dry out. In fact, you're never going to dry them out at scout camp unless it's a boiling hot summery day, but then you wouldn't be wearing jeans. So yeah, giving jeans to a scout leader, no. But last but not least, I was trying to find the most unusual Christmas gift you can give a scout leader, and I came across this one, Canwich. A sandwich in a can. Like, what? I don't know who would look at that. Peanut butter and strawberry jam. We've got some peanut butter. We've got some chili one there. You know, like, no. You get pies in tins and stuff like that. Even that, meh. And the hot dogs, you know, I'm not sure. Yeah, they taste good, but we know they're not very good for us, do we? But imagine getting a pack of these for your Christmas present. Canwich. No, you would never want to have this. So there we go. My top 10 Christmas gifts you do not want to give a scout leader who's going to get depressed and very upset on Christmas Day when they open that big box and to reveal marshmallow toaster or deep fat fryer. Don't forget that. So what I want you to do is comment below of camping gadgets that you think are absolutely useless and as a scout leader you would not want to receive on Christmas Day. Hiking heels. Don't get any ideas. Do not send me any hiking heels. Scout leaders, thank you very much for tuning in on this last vlog for Christmas. I hope you have a great Christmas. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. I'll see you the other side in the new year. Whatever you get from Father Christmas. Hopefully you've been on the nice list, not the naughty list like me, and you get some amazing Christmas presents, whether they're scout related, camping, whatever. Just enjoy it. I'll see you next time here on Big Manor Woods. Just leaves me to say one more thing.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!